हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्पेलकास्ट एजुकेशन में आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम. Some important topics of this chapter are natural resource, fossil fuel, coal formation, petroleum formation, coke, coal tar, coal gas, natural gas, petroleum refining and uses of some petroleum products. Now let's understand what is natural resource. Natural resources are of two types. Inexhaustible means renewable and exhaustible means non-renewable. Inexhaustible means renewable sources can be reused or renewed. Exhaustible means non-renewable cannot be renewed. Most of the renewable sources are environment friendly, where most of the non-renewable sources cause pollution. Air, water, sunlight, wind are renewable sources of energy, while LPG gases, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources are non-conventional, while non-renewable sources are conventional. Now, one important term you have to learn is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from dead organisms, and one of the most important fossil fuel is coal. So let's see how coal was formed. It takes millions of years to form coal. Many years ago, earth was covered by plants and trees, and these plants died in swamps around riverbanks and got covered with dirt, soil and mud. So years passed, the weight of the ground along with the earth's heat converted these dead plants into coal. Because when plants die, they sink into swamps and get decomposed into pits. Coal contains mainly carbon. Slow process of conversion of dead vegetation is called carbonization. And coal is classified by its carbon contents. Lignite, bituminous and anthracite are variety of coal according to carbon contents. So when heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. And we can get coal from coal mines. When coal is heated to certain temperature, we can get useful products like coke, coal tar, coal gas. So first of all, coke is a pure form of carbon. It is tough and porous. It is used as reducing agent in the extraction of metal and also used in manufacturing of steel and used as fuel also. So now coming towards coal tar, it's a black thick liquid and it's a mixture of 200 different substances like naphthalene, benzene, etc. And its uses is to make synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic material, and naphthalene balls, which is used to repel moths and other insects, is also obtained from coal tar. Coal tar was also used to make roads, but these days petroleum product bitumen is used. So when coal is processed to make coke, coal gas is produced and it is used as fuel in many industries and also used as a source of heat and light. Now coming towards petroleum. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from petra means rock and oleum means oil, as it is mined from between the rocks under the earth. And from this image you can see how petroleum is formed. It is formed from the remains of dead organism. When this organism dies, they settle at the bottom of the sea and got covered with dirt and clay. So over the years, in absence of air, due to high temperature and high pressure, petroleum is formed. And now coming towards the refining of petroleum. The process of separating various fractions or constituents from petroleum is called refining. We get various constituents when we refine petroleum. Petroleum gas, gasoline, naphtha, kerosene, diesel oil, lubricating oil, fuel oil, etc. And now coming towards natural gas, you may also know it's compressed natural gas, that over the years of decomposing plants and animals due to a pressure and heat of earth, they turn into gas and it is called natural gas. Now let's see the uses of various fractions from petroleum. Petroleum gas in liquid form LPG, it is a fuel for home and industry. Petrol, it is used for vehicle, aviation fuel and solvent for dry cleaning. And kerosene is used for stove, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Diesel is fuel for heavy motor vehicles and electric generators. And lubricating oil is used for lubrication. And now we know that this resource, fossil fuels, are very limited because it takes millions of years to make these fuels. So we have to use this fuel very wisely and very effectively. So PCRA, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, gives some tips that all of you should keep in mind that driving at a constant and moderate speed is good for fuel efficiency. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at place where you have to wait. Vehicle maintenance is very important and you have to check tire pressure time to time to use or to consume fuel efficiently. So friends, that's all for this video. If you like this, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.